Dear students, class 11th, our today's topic is forms of business organization. It is topic and the subtopic is joint family business. As we have yesterday discussed, the first form of business organization, that is sole proprietorship. For your kind information, there are 5 types of business organizations. First is sole proprietorship, second family business, third partnership, fourth cooperative societies, and the fifth one is company business. Today we will discuss about joint family business. Dear students, the business which is owned and carried on by all the members of an undivided family is known as joint family business. All the members of the family work jointly for the success of this business. This type of business is the oldest form in India. This business is owned and carried by all, but it is controlled by the head of the family. The head of the family is known as कर्ता. जो हेड ऑफ द फैमिली होता है इसको कर्ता कहते हैं. इसी के हाथ में इसका कंट्रोल होता है, जबकि इसके हिस्सेदार सारे फैमिली मेंबर्स होते हैं. एन इंडिविजुअल बिकम्स मेंबर of the undivided family of this business by virtue of birth. When a child takes birth in a family, he becomes the member of that business. That is equal share to all in ownership. We can say that we have equal ownership rights in the joint family business. The members of the family who work together are called co-partners or co-partners. There are 2 types of joint family businesses prevailing in India. One is Dayabaga and second type is Mittakashera. So far as Dayabaga is concerned, in this type, male and female both can become members of the joint family business. Whereas in Mittakashara, only male members are treated as joint members of family business. So this is the very easiest form of business. There are some features of the business. The first feature is formation. About the formation of business, it is very easy to form. No legal formalities are required. Only there must be some money with which we can start. With our ancestral property, we can start our business. The head of the family controls it. So he uses his own resources, own business, family resources in this business. There is no registration needed in this business. Second type feature is liability. Liabilities of the other family members are limited, whereas the liability of the eldest member, that is Karta, head of the family, are unlimited. He is responsible for all the liabilities. Control. So far as the control of this business is concerned, control lies in the hands of head of the family. Number 4th feature is continuity. This business continues. It does not come to end with the death or imprisonment of the head of the family. The next eldest member becomes the head of the family in case of any death or imprisonment or any other reason. Number 5 feature is minority. Minority, the member, the child, when he takes birth in the family, he becomes member of the family. So minor can become a member of the joint family business by virtue of his birth. He has no liabilities. He has no liabilities, but he has the share in the business. That's all for today. Goodbye.